Hi, my name is Nina Park. I'm a makeup artist in LA and New York, and today I'm going to show you how you can achieve glass skin even if you're prone to a little breakout or have blemishes. A lot of people think that you have to have perfect skin to achieve glass skin, but that's completely not true. So first we're going to exfoliate the skin. I love using the watermelon sleeping mask because it has AHA and it's very gentle to the skin. So we're going to start with that and leave it on for 10 minutes and then we'll wash off. I'm going to put a generous layer on clean skin. I find that physical exfoliators tend to create micro tears to the skin, which also create more breakouts. So I like to use a chemical exfoliator like this one. It's just gentle, but still exfoliates. Sometimes if you find that you have just one stubborn blemish, I love to use this just with my finger and patting it on as a spot treatment. Next, we're going to use the Blueberry Bounce Cleanser to take off all the impurities and have a clean base and canvas for the next step. We really want to work the cleanser and get it nice and sudsy, and then we're going to go straight onto the skin. Always make sure that you're really getting in and cleansing every single part of your skin for at least a minute to really get all the impurities and dirt off. So now that the skin is clean, we're going to do a light mist of the watermelon mist. Because it has apple cider vinegar, this will help balance the oil production while also giving moisture to the skin. And now we're gonna go in with the treatment. We're using the Pineapple C serum. I love this because it's brightening and it's really going to make the skin glow for the glass skin look. We're just gonna use a dropper and gently pat into the skin, starting at the T-zone because that's usually where there's the most oil. It also has vitamin C, which will fade any dark spots that you have on the skin. Just from the serum alone, she's already starting to have the glass-like skin. Since the serum is so silky, it's amazing to use with a massager. I'm using the roller and just really going towards the planes, the high planes of the face, and always going upwards. I like to go upwards because it really gives a lifting motion, and also it's great for the orbital bone to really drain any sort of excess puffiness that you might have under the eyes. A lot of times people with acne-prone skin are scared or afraid to use any moisturizer and want to make sure that you're completely moisturized all the time. The more balanced your skin, the happier it will be and you'll have less breakouts. So I'm going to finish off using the Pink Juice Moisturizer. It's great because it's lightweight and feels like nothing on the skin, which is great for acne-prone skin. You really just press it on. And I'm just going to do one more pump and apply these at the tops of the cheekbones to create a skincare highlight. And I added a little bit of the watermelon pink juice just for an added glow. And just for a touch of highlighter, I'm just going to put a few spritz on a brush. Saturating the brush with the hydrating mist really gives a seamless highlight that looks very natural to the skin. We're going to mist over one last time to set the look. So that's our look for glass skin. Please be sure to check out the rest of the videos on Glowpedia.